The Solution to Pollution by Eileen Delos Rios. Hi, sidekicks. Are you ready for another adventure? Do you see anyone who needs our help? Help! I'm stuck. Oh no! It looks like the little fish needs help getting unstuck from a bag. Let's go help him. Hey, little guy, what happened? How did you get stuck? Thank you for coming to save me. A fisherman decided to throw his garbage into the ocean and now I'm stuck. There you go, little guy. People need to stop polluting. What is polluting? I'm glad you asked. Pollution is anything that makes the earth dirty and unhealthy. Land, air, and water are all affected by pollution. Pollution negatively affects humans, health, animals, and the environment. There are three main pollutions: water pollution, air pollution, and noise pollution. I wonder how we can eliminate pollution. Sidekicks, do any of you have a solution to all this pollution? That's right, there are many ways we can reduce pollution. Let's take a look at how to reduce air, land, and water pollution. Recycling prevents the emissions of many greenhouse gases and water pollutants, and it also saves energy. Bikes and skateboards don't release harmful emissions that pollute the atmosphere, nor any carbon dioxide that contributes to climate change. Are there any other modes of transportation that do not require the use of gas? Other modes of transportation that do not harm the earth would be running, walking, and skating. Vehicles, aircrafts, and industrial machines also create noise pollution. Noise pollution is the propagation of noise with ranging impacts on the activity of human or animal life, most of them harmful to a degree. We can reduce noise pollution by turning off any appliances when not in use, lowering volumes, planting more trees, and regular maintenance of vehicles and machines. By controlling noise, we can control negative health effects that noise pollution has on everyone. Wow, sidekicks, we sure have learned a lot today. Our Earth provides us with everything we want, but also everything we need to survive. Earth provides the food we need for fuel, water we need for hydration, air, and the oxygen we breathe. If we take care of the Earth will continue taking care of us. To help take care of our Earth, try to reduce, reuse, and recycle, cut down on what you throw away, volunteer for cleanups in your community, conserve water, or even plant a tree. I can't wait to hear what you all do to help eliminate pollution. Until next time, sidekicks. The end.